Hey guys, let's talk about the USB-C to HDMI cable now working with your Android device. You see that I have the cable connected to my projector. So the idea is to use my cell phone and connect the cable, but it's not working, okay? It's the same with monitors. If you don't have it working with monitors, you can follow this video as well, and it's going to solve your problem, okay? So the first thing that I need to check is the cable quality. Here I have a good cable. This is a Ultra 8K cable and works pretty fine with any device. So I'll leave the link here in the description for this one. And then when you try to connect, it's still not working like this. Even if you have a good cable, you see back there that I have no signal or weak signal. That's the information that I have there. Then you just need to come here to your cell phone on settings. You go all the way down here about phone, software information, and here you're gonna tap on build number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times, and then it enables the developer mode. I just hit OK. You see the developer mode has been turned on. So when I come back here, I have another option available. Okay, so developer options. So if I come here, you see that now I have this option on, and I look here for USB debugging, turn it on, okay. Then you keep looking for more USB options. You see that I go down and I see a lot of options available here, and I find USB configuration, default USB configuration. So I come here and I can enable MIDI, okay? And then it tests again to see if it works. Still not working, right? And then the last thing that I need to try is just twist the cable 180 like this. Put it again and check. You see that I just wait for a while. Remove and plug one more time. Wait for it to connect, and you see now connected to the external display, right? And you see that's working back there. So very, very simple. You just need to try those different options, including here, you put in a different position the connection here with the cable, okay? And you try one more time, and it's going to work. And remember, you just need to have a good cable to work with your Android device. I hope that helps. Basically, that's the way that you fix the problem with your Android device not working with the USB-C to HDMI. Leave your comments, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. See you in the next one.